Can you YouTube it?
Why? Because you were trying to get your stylist, girl. You were desperate. You were desperate. Okay, you YouTube it.
Wait, what if I showed you?
You need to add this to your list of services.
For real.
People be funny though. They be doing that all the time.
It looks just like
my clients will not go away. Anything that I don't do, they be like, "You could do it, Tori."
For real.
Just I believe in you. I don't know why, y'all. Just a little chit chat with me and my client. But yeah, this is a dreadlock retwist video. It's your girl, Naturally TC. I am using the aloe vera plant as my product for twisting today. As you can see, I'm using the smaller end of the comb to gather her regrowth and twist it. And then I'm palm rolling all the way to the ends. Now what you guys can do is follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have some different postings on there. I would love to see you there. Also, if there's any videos or natural styles that you would like to see me do, please leave it in the comments and I'll get it up as soon as possible. Go ahead and enjoy this video. bye.